How to contact customer service in Temu. Contacting customer servers helps us resolve issues, get answers, and receive support. And here at Temu, it's actually pretty simple. First things first, let's go ahead and open our profile or the U down here. And then we're going to head over here at the top where there is an icon for this one. This is actually for customer service. I'm going to click this one. And yep, there are different articles here, hopefully to be able to resolve issues or topics that you have questions about. But if you want to reach them, just go ahead and click down here below. It says contact us. I'm going to click it, and here we are. So you can go ahead and write your concern in here. For example, I'm gonna put here, I'd like to ask a question about your cancellation policy, just like so, and then hit this button right here. So basically they will start responding from here, and yep, you can go ahead and do this one until you reach the customer support. And if you want to unlock a $100 coupon code, just go ahead and click the link in the description box and the comment section. Or you can use our referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.